So let's show you how to set up your shipping and delivery on Shopify. So you go to settings on the bottom, on the left column, and then you click with shipping and delivery. And once the shipping and delivery comes up, you just have to scroll down and go to the section where it says shipping from and shipping to. So shipping from is where you are located. So you have your address over there showing up to say this is where you're shipping from, and then you set up your shipping to. So with the shipping to, you have two sections. You have the domestic shipping and then you have the international shipping. So to set up your shipping for domestic, you go where it says ship to, where it says domestic, then you say create shipping zone. So if you had already created, or if it was already uploaded, if someone had created for you, you'll see all the shipping which is already available that you can just quickly edit if you need to by clicking those three dots on the sides next to the shipping you want to edit. So from there you have to click where it says manage rates under general shipping rates, and then once you click that, it will take you over here where you see your shipping to domestic and also shipping for international as well. So to get started, all you have to do, if you already have a shipping set up, you can always change it using those three dots on the right to change it. But if you don't have anything already set up, all you have to do to add a new shipping for domestic is to just click and say add rate. So this will come up where it says set up your own rates. So you can name it. You can put like standard shipping, whatever name you want to name it, just put it there. Or if you do free shipping, you can also name it like that. And then you can choose the conditions. So you can say you want to use free shipping for orders which have the minimum price, and then you can also put the maximum price that you want to be able to offer that free shipping for. So you can set up all those conditions over here. So for example, I'm putting down here that for someone to be able to get free shipping, they need to have spent about $100 or $50, whatever amount you want. This is where you get to do it. Then you just simply click done, and that's it. Your free standard shipping now shows up there with the conditions that someone has to spend $50 and up to be able to get that free shipping. So you can do the same thing for international shipping as well. You can set up all the conditions if you want the same thing as well. So to do that, you do the same thing like add a rate, and then you name the shipping that you're going to be setting up. So whether it's standard shipping or standard free shipping, whatever name you want to name your shipping, you can put it right over there. And then you add the conditions like what we did the last time. You can base it according to item weight or base it according to order price. You decide based on your business, because each person's business is different. So this is where you put all those conditions right there. Then when you're happy with that, just press done. There you go. You got your international shipping set up, or with the conditions that you want to include. So it's so easy to set up your shipping conditions and handling your own Shopify. So this is the section you get to do all those things. So play around with it, set up your shipping conditions, and set up your shipping for your products. Either you're doing an international shipping or domestic, this is the section where you get to do it. It's simple and easy. So I hope this has been useful, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you. So this is how you easily set up your shipping in Shopify. So you can play around and change all the shipping if you want for your business right here under this section. And then when you're done, don't forget to press save. Then you are done. All right, guys, take care. Bye.